Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting the essentials in place. This saves time later. Verify that your DVR accepts a mobile hotspot, USB modem, or a mobile router on Ethernet. Make sure you have an active SIM with a data plan and copy the APN plus any login credentials. Update the DVR firmware so modern drivers work and record the DVR admin username and IP address. Once that's ready, power the DVR and the mobile device, and move on to the connection step. You now connect the hardware and configure network settings so video flows. If using a hotspot, enable it and ensure the SSID and password are visible. If you have a USB modem or mobile router, plug it into the DVR or router's USB/Ethernet port. In the DVR network menu, choose Wi-Fi or LAN, pick the hotspot SSID or modem interface, and try DHCP for quick setup. Once connected, verify the DVR has an IP. If the feed drops, assign a static IP with gateway and DNS to stabilize the link. You finish by making the system reliable and accessible from outside your network. Configure remote access. Either enable the DVR's P2P/cloud service, forward the required ports on the mobile router, or set up DDNS tied to the router IP. Make sure credentials are strong. Reduce stream resolution or frame rate to save data, and schedule recordings during off-peak times if needed. Finally, test remote viewing from a cellular network. If something fails, reboot the DVR.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.